Hey guys, we are now halfway through the trip. It was a really good first half of the trip so far, it was so much fun. And after a first amazing day in Lobos, we sailed along the east coast of Lanzarote to the north until we were in Graciosa for the really big swell that was coming. And we found some really nice spots over there. Our photographer Matze has to flew out on the same swell to Tenerife and filmed Alex Zirke, our team rider from Tenerife. So we kind of split. We surfed the empty spots of Lanzarote while Alex was charging in Tenerife. It was super fun.
Kann man da... Boah, gewonnen heiß, ey! Hier teilen wir uns auf. Wir gehen jetzt mit dem Jetski ins Wasser und wir sehen uns dann draußen im Wasser. Also es sind richtig krasse Bedingungen gerade. Wir werden vielleicht die Barrels unseres Lebens haben, mal schauen.
After the big swell, we went down on the west coast of Lanzarote again and found some nice waves with some unfriendly locals. It was quite funny.
We're coming for shred. We just arrived.
Again?
Somebody? Any local? Any local here in Santa? We're coming for shred.
We're coming for sure. We just got to the spot. I'm not too sure what the size is, but from the boat it could be anything from 6 to 10 foot, which is pretty solid, and I'm taking my big board out just in case. I don't want to be undergunned like this morning.
Out here, 6-1, seriously undergunned. Well, fuck it, let's go.
Yeah, there's some big ones. We got a pintail over here. It's heavy.
Now we're back in the harbor of Lanzarote, refilling our boat, our water, all our food, and now we're off to Fuerteventura, to the North Shore, and I hope we find some good surf over there as well.